Anger is one of the most common emotions we all experience. It shows up when we feel upset, frustrated, or treated unfairly. The words angry, mad, furious, annoyed, and irritated all describe different levels of this emotion. In this lesson, learn how to recognize anger and express it in natural English. Angry means feeling upset because something is not right or something bothers us. When people are angry, their faces might tighten, their voices get louder, and their bodies feel tense. Sometimes anger is small, like when something annoying happens. Other times, it can be very strong, like when something feels unfair or hurtful. There are many words in English to describe anger. Mad is a common and casual word used in daily conversations, like when someone says, "I was mad when they broke my phone." Annoyed is a lighter form of anger, describing when something small bothers you, such as noise or interruptions. Furious means extremely angry when emotions are very strong, for example, being furious after someone lies to you. Here are some examples of how we use different angry words in sentences. I am angry because my coffee spilled on my notes. He was furious when they canceled his flight without warning. She seemed annoyed by the constant interruptions. We were irritated by the long delay in the meeting. Each word describes a different level of how strong the anger feels. Anger shows up in our body, mind, and actions. Physically, people may raise their voices, frown, clench their fists, or feel their hearts beat faster. Emotionally, anger feels like frustration or feeling wronged. Behaviorally, anger can make people speak harshly, act without thinking, or avoid others. Learning to notice these signs helps us handle our emotions better. Anger can appear in many everyday situations. It can happen when we are stuck in traffic, when someone ignores or disrespects us, or when we lose something important. Feeling treated unfairly or waiting too long can also make us angry. Understanding what triggers anger helps us control it before it grows too strong. When you start feeling angry, there are healthy ways to calm down. Take slow and deep breaths to help your body relax. Pause before speaking so you do not say something hurtful. If possible, step away from the situation for a while. Once you feel calmer, talk about what upset you in a respectful way. These steps make anger less powerful and more manageable. Anger is normal, but how you respond makes the real difference. Recognizing anger early helps you stay calm and express yourself clearly. Practicing kindness, patience, and understanding can turn anger into useful communication. Remember, holding onto anger only hurts you. Letting it go brings peace and strength.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.